Now, activity number 3 that we are doing is leaf printing. This is a really cool activity and it's like magic. I love it. So let's read the letter and then I'll show you the materials. Are you ready to turn fallen leaves into beautiful works of art? I went on a hike and collected these leaves just for you. Prepare all your paint from this box. The paintbrush, an art t-shirt, and let's roll. With one of your hands, you will hold the leaf and the other hand you're gonna paint it. Then you just press them into the paper, flatten over the back of them using your hands and carefully peel off to review the print. So let me show you how you're gonna do it. So first, the materials that you got in this one are leaves, of course, a paintbrush, paper, and of course the paint that was in the box, right? The box paint in the box. So let's open to see how we're gonna do it. All right, I got these 3 leaves in this one. Okay, I got these 3 ones and the paintbrush. Okay, so all you have to do in this one, I suggested that you use brown paint because of you can see some shades of brown in especially these one. Look, this is kind of brown, right? So I suggested that you just use brown and red to make this printing, okay? So all you have to do is just get the paint. You're gonna open the tab, get the paint, okay? And you are going to paint the leaf. Paint the leaf all the way from top to the bottom. And then you are going to use the part that you put the paint under it. You're gonna turn it over and you're gonna flatten with your hand carefully, like this, and peel off. And you're gonna see the print, the leaf printing. That's why it's called leaf printing, okay? And you're going to see how beautiful it looks like. And then you can make a card to someone you love. You can do whatever you want, okay? So this was activity number 3.